this light box, I had to move it over, and now I gotta get drywall repaired, which I don't want to do. Plus, this off-brand light, it doesn't even cover it. So if I put it on, I still see the blue. So here's my fix. So I had a scrap piece of pine, which I actually bought at Home Depot. It was painted purple, so I got it at 70% off. I sanded it down. Whoa. Sanded it down. I used this piece with the grain in it. So I think it was a 10-inch wide, and I cut the hole about 2 1/4. So it should, I'll be able to use and screw it in, so the screws would fit right in. I'll show you what it does. So I don't have to put any screws or anything through it. The bracket itself is just going to hold it up. So here's the bracket for the light, and I just use longer screws. So you could see it's hiding the ugly drywall spot, and the bracket's holding a piece of wood up. And it's got a nice tight fit. And that's the finished product. Just need some light bulbs, but it gives it a nice medallion sort of. And it gives that nice look. And I think it's much cheaper than trying to get someone to come out do drywall work and then paint